In our coronavirus coverage, the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine is coming to the Central Valley.
It's the third emergency use vaccine approved to help fight COVID-19. CBS 47's Kaylee Hunt joins us live now at the Fresno County Health Department. So Kaylee, when can people start to get this Johnson & Johnson vaccine?
Well, health officials say they have received around 10,000 Johnson & Johnson vaccines, and they plan on distributing it to high-risk and vulnerable communities within the next few weeks.
A third option for COVID vaccines are here in the Central Valley.
So we've been allocated about 10,000 doses for over the next few weeks. And the great thing, well, there's a lot of great things about this vaccine, but one of them is that it is only one dose.
Trinidad Solis with the Fresno County Department of Public Health says unlike Moderna or Pfizer, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine only requires one shot. It can also be stored for months using normal refrigeration, which makes it easier to handle than the other available vaccines.
Because of that, it allows us the flexibility to perhaps reach more vulnerable groups in our community, which include the homeless population.
Currently, Fresno County is vaccinating Phase 1B, which are individuals 65 and older, food and agricultural workers, and education/child care workers. In the coming weeks, Fresno County will move on to Phase 1C, which includes homeless, incarcerated, industrial, and transportation workers.
We also are getting our first allocation of Johnson & Johnson, so it'll be our first time utilizing that. We're going to be utilizing that a lot in mobile settings.
Kenny Bond with UCSF says with this third vaccine getting approved, hopefully they can get more people vaccinated quicker, getting back to the new normal.
Johnson & Johnson, I'm excited, but I'm most excited because it gives us more inventory. It's not about like, oh, is Johnson & Johnson's better than Pfizer or Moderna? It's about that we are really inventory constrained right now, and hopefully that fixes it. So what happens is you can get an effective and safe vaccine.
And for more information on where you can get your COVID-19 vaccine or to where to find out when it's your turn, head to our website, yourcentralvalley.com. Reporting live in downtown Fresno, I'm Kaylee Hunt, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.